Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I went through like so many things to get this look. This was not what it was supposed to turn out like initially, so it's just like, you know, it's just a transition to see how things go. So if you like this look and want to see how I get it, just stay tuned, keep watching. We're gonna get right into the video.
Till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight, not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man, I still got scores to settle, man, I crept.
Do I want to curl this? I should have kept it straight. To get rid of those wand curls, I just bunned my hair up in those two little buns and set under the dryer for about 15 minutes. Actually, I did my makeup is what I did. And for my edges, if it's not like an in-depth tutorial, like this video to let me know if you want. I wanted to do a wing eyeliner. I'm gonna try to do one today. Like I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted. Yeah, just like the video, let me know if you want like a super in-depth baby hair tutorial, I guess you could call it. Also, I'm so sorry my camera cut out. I'm just realizing that it cut out when I was filming how to get the hair around the top. Y'all, I just wrapped it around and did some got to be glue spray. That's it. Just wrapped it around. Nothing fancy.
I gotta say, you know this shit is tight, yeah. It's absolute, yeah. I'm back with Boo. It's La Ferrari. Some Jamba Juice, yeah. We back on the road, they jumping off no parachute, yeah. The shorty in the back, she said she working on the glutes, yeah. Check, yeah. Just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
Driver all white, right? Couldn't hit it if niggas had eye. Lanes can't call and you lying. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Bentley, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You should follow all the trends, don't talk to me.
This has been a natural hair video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like that video, let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. We growing like a little support base, so we're gonna have to find something to call y'all, like the gang, you feel me, whatever. But thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for tuning with me, you guys. I'm growing. I have something for my 100 video, like my 100 subscriber videos coming up real soon. But yeah, this is the finished look. It's so cute. I love this look. It's like, you feel me?